What's up, everybody? Kelley again. We took about a month off. We decided we was gonna put JANGALANG on radial, so it's been a lot of work. We're thinking about taking it to the U.S. Street Nationals just to play around and test in between rounds when we're not running Can't Get Right. Right now our main focus is Can't Get Right because we're number one in points, but it would be cool to go ahead and get this thing set up on radial so we can start hitting some of these big money races that we keep seeing. Man, we tore everything I owned apart, getting ready for the winter. Now we decided we was gonna run the winter series for both cars. Now we're putting everything I own back together. Had to put a new crank in Can't Get Right's motor. Putting this car on radials, so we had to put some lower compression pistons in it. Just a lot of work. A lot of easy work, but a lot of work. Unless you're weak, he's catching hell with that. You're an asshole sometimes, you know that?
It's a lot of working. Not weak.
You not?
Not as weak as I was.
Not as weak as you was.
Not as weak as I was.
Still kind of weak.
Yeah, it's a lot better than when I first started, okay? I couldn't even pick up a damn converter and put it in. Not even getting started on starter numbers either.
Growing up right before mine Tommy's eyes.
Stuff.
Gather around this table, boys. You bring your shame, I lose my voice. Screaming at the gods about the bad we've done. Merle said, Mama tried, but the prison still won.
1 foot-pound all the way up to
Your transgressions are mine as well. Anger grows in my bones if you could not tell. But I'll find comfort in company. Lord, forgive us, my boys and me. We're having an all-night revival. Some will call the women and some will steal the Bible. For the sake of my survival, baptize me in a bottle of bean for Johnny on the vinyl. Well, the devil can't scrap what the Lord has won. And I'll talk to him under rising suns. His sun arose and mine did too. I was coming down, but now I'm talking to you. 'Cause we're having an all-night revival. Some will call the women and some will steal the Bibles. For the sake of my survival, baptize me in a bottle of bean, put Johnny on the vinyl. So we're having an all-night revival. Some will call the women and some will steal the Bible. For the sake of my survival, baptize me in a bottle of bean, put Johnny on the vinyl. Gather around this table, boys. Bring your shame, I'll lose my voice. screaming at the gods about the bad we've done. Merle said, Mama tried, but the prison still won.
Put them in the bag and make sure these put them in the bag and just make sure these springs sit in there properly. For as long as you can. Like so. Lord have mercy. Bag on trail, man.
It's in there now.
It looks sick on radio stuff.
I do.
That looks way better than the thing.
I do.
I want to see what it looks like with the front end on it so bad. Yeah. Looks good. That bitch way better on radio than it does on big tire.
Yeah, crazy.
Hope is riding, hope is rolling with me. Got the focus, I'm not hopeless, you see. Even in the valley of the shadows, even as I'm hurting and my tears flow.
What's up, everybody? Kelley again. We took about a month off. We decided we was gonna put JANGALANG on radials. So it's been a lot of work. You know, the guys just went from big tire to radials. They know what all it takes to go to that. So anyway, we got it all done. The car is setting nasty. It looks good. And we're thinking about taking it to the US Street Nationals just to play around and test in between rounds when we're not running Can't Get Right. Right now our main focus is Can't Get Right because we're #1 in points. But it would be cool to go ahead and get this thing set up on radio so we can start hitting some of these big money races that we keep seeing. The no time industry is going to like $100,000 races. I think I've seen like 10 of them this year already. So for somebody like me that chases the money in drag racing, it seems like that's where I need to be starting to point my plans to. So that's why we got this car on radials. I don't know, if it runs good and somebody offers to buy it, we might sell it. I'm just in that kind of mood. So long story short, the car looks really good on radials. We're finna do the first fire up. We had to put some low compression pistons in it and stuff just because we get up the overdrive, you know, because we're gonna be on radials and there really no rules. So we'll see how it goes. Tried to crank it a minute ago, the battery's dead. Story of our lives. So we're gonna charge it up a little bit and see if this thing will fire off. different. It's only reading 1.30, and I tried to make it go to 6, and it went to running like shit. You see that?